Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to set notification sounds and how to remove the notification sounds. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to go to the setting. You have to press the setting from here. So you just need to press this sounds and vibration. So you have to press this one. So you see here notification sound. So you have to press this one. So you will get so many options from here. Then you can press it from here one. You just choose it one from here. Then it will be set. So if you want to remove, if you want to remove this notifications sound, then you see here sign in from here from the app. So you just need to press this one. So the notification sounds will be removed. So before you let this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.